Pati ako, sinasakit ang ulo ko. And who is this lady? Our best in swimsuit. Okay. No? Script lang muna sika. Natin siya. Yeah.
Hello, Cal. Good evening po.
Okay. The people of Ondo.
Well, I would like to thank all the people who are watching here right now. Thank you for your warm acceptance.
What's with you?
My friend.
Okay, your friend. Stand here supporting you?
Yes.
Okay. Without further ado, you pick your question. Relax. Here's the question for Miss Nicole. What do you think is the role of gays like you in this age of globalization? What do you think is the role of gay in this age of globalization?
Thank you for that very nice question. Allow me to answer that question, an answer that comes from my heart. Well, I think the role of gays in this world of globalization is that we gays must be responsible enough. And why do I say so? It's because we all know that we gays are discriminated and criticized in our society. But still, we should have to stand in our own feet to show to other people that even though we are gays, still, we are creations of God. And even though we are gays, still, we are blessed with so much talent and intelligence that we can share to other people. And especially, we gays have a good heart, that we can do all good things in accordance of the will of God. We have our own values and virtues. And even though we are gay, we have the power of a real man. And one thing is for sure, we have the compassion and the heart of a real woman. And lastly, I believe that even though we are gay, we are all living in this world. And we should always remember of this saying that goes, homosexuality is not a vice, it's an endowment. Endowment of what is best and what is good within us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.